In this quick video, I'll show you how to transform photos into pencil drawings in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Firstly, import your image in Photoshop, then select your image and press Ctrl J on your keyboard to duplicate our layer. Once you create copy of your layer, then simply select your top layer and press Ctrl I on your keyboard to invert our layer. After that, we need to change the blend mode of our layer. For that, we will simply click on it and after that select color dodge. Once we done that, click on adjustment layer and then select hue/saturation. Now we need to decrease saturation all the way down to -100. Now we can minimize this tab and select the inverted layer and click on filter. Here we need to go to blur and then click on Gaussian blur. Now in order to see our sketch more clearly, we need to increase our Gaussian blur scale. So for that, I will simply make it all the way down to 632. You can adjust these settings according to your image. I will make it like this. Once you are satisfied with it, click on OK. Now to make our sketch more realistic, we can adjust some more settings. For that, I will simply go to adjustment layer and then select levels. Now we can adjust levels from here. You can adjust all the settings according to your need. I will simply make it like this. Once you are satisfied with it, you can minimize this tab and you can see the difference clearly in my images. This was the image previously and this is how it is now looking. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.